Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, doing something a little different than usual. This is my second Halloween look. There will be a third coming next week, so look forward to that. If you haven't seen my first Halloween look from this year, I'm going to post it down below so that you can check it out. It is a vampire tutorial, but for today, I decided to recreate Desi Perkins' Medusa. Mine is slightly different, but I got a lot of inspiration from her. Let me just fix my snakes here, okay? Okay, here you go. Stay. Anyways, this is my rendition of Medusa. It's a bit time consuming with gluing down all of these gold leaf, but I will tell you this, when you are done, your room will be a little messy, okay? But it's worth it because this look is so pretty. I'm about to actually go out in this. Take the wig off, go like put on normal clothes and go get something to eat in this. And no shame because it's beautiful. I mean, hello. Everything I have on right now is from Amazon. The gold leaf, the hair, the bracelet, the necklace, the Medusa little guy right here, okay? Everything I have on except for, of course, like the makeup portion is from Amazon. So I'm gonna list everything down below, so if you want to recreate this look, you can definitely just click those links, add them to your cart, and you're good to go. Hashtag not sponsored. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so I'm starting this video and I just wanted to let y'all know that I am a little raspy because I just woke up not too long ago. I'm gonna use this MAC strobe cream all over my face. It's gonna give us a nice glow from within. So I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Tape just to prime like up here. Now that's wet. We're not going to have to go in and set it because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. And I'm just going to use this Crown C457 brush. And we are going to do kind of another sort of smoky black eye. And I'm really wanting it to be nice and dark, and we're gonna go all over the lid. And don't be too worried about it being messy because we are going to cover up a lot of the edge up here with that gold leaf. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a smaller brush because I'm really wanting to wing this guy out. So I'm just taking that up. I'm using the Huda Beauty. This is the Smokey Obsessions palette that I'm obviously obsessed with. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this matte black shadow. It's a very deep black. So I'm going to pack that all over the lid. This is just a Glamour Dolls number 10 brush. I just want to buff the edges a little bit, and if you want, you can take a lighter brown shadow here, something like a little bit more neutral. And you can use that to buff the edges in. When you do buff and blend everything, it does kind of take a little bit of that black away. So I'm just gonna stamp it right back on. I'm wanting to swoop this out a little bit more, so I'm just pulling it in to give it more of like that U shape. So I'm now using a makeup wipe. I just want to go in and clean that up some. This is why I'm not going in with my base first, because when you're working with a black shadow, it's really hard to not have it go everywhere. What's nice about using a makeup wipe for this, you can really just manipulate the shape in a way that suits what you're going for. If you need to use a liner to really get the nice tip that you're wanting, I would say definitely see if that helps. Now to strike. Alright, so that is the top lid done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye, and then we'll come back on camera and continue. Alright, now that the eyes are all blacked out, I want to apply some lashes. These are the Mega Volume from Ardell. The number is 252. I'm using Duo brush on adhesive. This is the clear one. So I've set my under eyes. Now I'm going to go in with that black shadow again up here, and I'm going to drag it down the lash line. This is just a Morphe, kind of like a U-shaped brush. It's like a paddle brush, but it's very small. So I'm just going to take the black on the very, very tip and just drag it from the bottom of the top wing down below. So I'm applying it halfway, not quite all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm just going to use a clean brush just to fade out the edges so that it doesn't have any harshness to it. And then we'll do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so I ended up going a little bit further in, but I kept this very inner part clean. Now we're gonna apply the gold leaf. This is called Cosmic Shimmer, the Gilding Flakes. I got it from Amazon, so I will link that down below, as well as all of the products that I'm using for this video. Now, FYI, gold leaf is very, very messy. It's already spilling over. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Duo Lash Glue. Apply this to the brows first. And I'm gonna take my tweezers to pick up the gold leaf. And then I'll go in with the other side to press it in. Gold leaf is such a fragile material. So lightweight, so fragile, so you just want to be really careful when applying it. Now the point of this is to look like snake skin. So snake skin obviously is very like peely and scaly, so this is kind of meant to mimic that. And because Medusa is of course all about her snakes, this goes perfectly. It's not necessarily hard, it's just really time consuming. Press it into the skin as much as you can so that it's not like lumpy. You want it to kind of look like it's part of your skin. Alright, now we've got our brows on. I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light from Kat Von D, the contour palette, and I'm going to also grab this Smooth Glam L36 brush, swirl that in there, and we're going to do a little bit of contouring. I really want her to be very hollowed and chiseled, so we're just going to make her look very nice and defined. For the nose contour, I'm using the Luxie 207 medium angled brush. And then I'll kind of just buff it downwards, and we'll clean it up in a little bit with a lighter shade. Next, I've got this You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter from JCat, and it's in the shade White Goddess. The brush I'm using is this Morphe M441. Spritzing my brush down. Baked highlighters are a little bit more on the dry side, so I would definitely recommend wetting it. But this is just such a pretty golden shade. Oh my gosh, do y'all see that? Wow, that is pretty. Then I'm just going to apply this to the bridge of the nose. I'm going to highlight up here, concentrate it in the middle of the eyes. Alright, so I kind of highlighted and contoured this area here. I am going to apply some of the snakeskin to my neck. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray myself with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to let the gold leaf adhere to it. And then I'm going to grab a big chunk of it. Really want to press it in so it stays. Alright, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of gold leaf to my lip. I'm going to use the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara from Essence just to coat my lashes. I didn't have any mascara on when I put my lashes on. Alright, I also decided I'm going to use a little bit of the Stila Magnificent Metal in Golden Goddess and kind of leave it just nice and chunky. I want to neutralize the lipstick because it is a little dark, so I'm using the NARS lip gloss in Stripped. And then I'm going to go over that with the Jouer Skinny Dip Lip Topper Golden Shimmery Gloss. I'm going to pop on my wig and my headpiece, and then we'll get the final shots.
These mortals have awakened the gods of old.
Alright guys, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.
Now to strike.